Hello viewers, welcome to Peniremit. In today's video, we'll be showing you how you can navigate the settings on the Peniremit app. Let's get started. First, you tap on the Peniremit app. Okay, so you input your passcode to log in. Once you're in, all you need to do is to tap on the profile icon beneath. So beneath we have three icons: home, pay bill, and profile. Once you tap on your profile icon, you'll be seeing the profile interface with the app settings. We have the display language, display currency, inactivity, timeout, change passcode, change transaction pin, biometrics, logout, and delete account. So we'll be going through these different settings options. First, you tap on display language. So the available language we have for now is English, and then for display currency, you input the currency that you prefer. Then for the inactivity timeout, so this is the amount of time a system waits while you're idle before it automatically takes an action, and in this case it might log you out, so you have to log back in. So you select your inactivity timeout option. Then we have the security section. So we have change passcode. So here you input your new passcode, and for the change transaction pin, here you input your new pin, and for the biometrics, that if you want to use your fingerprint. And then we have the logout. So this would give you the prompt if you actually do want to log out and you have to log back in before you access your account. And then we have the delete account. So for the delete account, it says you should ensure you have no funds left in your wallet before you proceed, as any funds left in your account cannot be recovered after deleting your account. So it's very imperative you understand this. This is not like Penny Wallet, whereby you write your recovery phrase and then you delete your Penny Wallet, and then when you want to access your Penny Wallet, all you need to do is to input your recovery phrase and then you see all your funds. Peniremit is not Penny Wallet. For the Peniremit, if you do have funds in your account and you delete your account, those funds cannot be recovered. Ensure before you delete your Peniremit account, there are no funds left in your account. So you go ahead to input the reason why you want to delete your account. Then you check the box which says you've agreed and read that any funds left in your account cannot be recovered after deletion. So you proceed and your account will be deleted. That's it for the settings section of the Peniremit app. Just before you go, you can also support the channel by buying our educational token WikiCat used on the Binance Smart Chain. The contract address will be in the description beneath. Thank you. I hope this video has been helpful. Ensure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on that post notification bell for more educative content. If you do have any questions, do make a comment in the comment section, and rest assured that a team member will respond to you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.